Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your Instagram memories step by step. This is perfect if you want to revisit your old stories or even repost them. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. This will bring you to your profile page where all your posts and info are. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see three horizontal lines. Tap on that. This opens up your menu. From here, look for Archive and tap on it. Alright, now you're inside your archive section. By default, this should show your story archive, which is basically where Instagram saves all your past stories, even after they disappear from your profile. You can scroll through and see all your old stories organized by date. Now, here's something really cool. Instagram automatically shows you memories from the same day in previous years. So, if you posted something today, last year, or even 2 years ago, it might show up here as a memory. So, this is great if you want to relive moments or repost them again. Now, to view any memory, just tap on it and is the mm. So it will open and play just like a normal story. Now from here, you'll see a few options at the bottom. You can tap share to repost it to your current story. When tap the three dots if you want to save it or share it with your friends, or even add it to your highlights if you want it to stay on your profile. Now, if you don't see anything in your archive, don't worry. This usually means your archive settings might be turned off. So to fix that, go back to your profile and open the menu again and tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Archiving and Downloading. Then tap on it. Then make sure that Save Story to Archive is turned on. Once this is enabled, all your future stories will automatically be saved. Just keep in mind, if it was turned off before, your past stories won't appear, but everything going forward will be saved. So make sure this is turned on, and that's basically it. Now you know exactly how to check your Instagram memories and even reuse them for new content. Super simple, right? If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and follow for more quick and easy tutorials. Thank you for watching.